What's up, guys? I'm gonna share my purchase on this Scion XB 2008. It's got 270,000 miles, but the only reason why I bought it with that Toyota motor, that's not too bad. And with a little bit of oil leak, I don't mind that either. Where I'm at in Ohio, we got a lot of rust. But it's got decent tires. Yeah, I gave the guy 600. He said the fuel pump was bad, and he said it started right up with starting fluid. When I got there, the fuel pump was all taken apart and halfway out. I didn't know these had such an easy access. That's just glued down. You just pry up around that. And so I was kind of worried when you see the car already taken apart. And then, but it looked pretty simple. And then when I was loading it, I found this corroded wire. So if you get a bad fuel pump in these cars, check this wire. I told the guy, I said, buddy, that might be your problem. He's like, I didn't see that. I said, do you still want to sell it to me? You don't have to. And he said, go ahead and take it. He had 3 other vehicles. But check engine lights on for the O2 sensor. And it kicked the traction light on. But the motor sounds good. So if you get a bad fuel pump in here, they're very easy to change. But first, check this wire. That was corroded. You see all that green junk? So we'll just put one of them on there, tape it up, call it good. You got a busted windshield. But these little things are fun to drive. It's not bad. Alright guys, I figured I'd share that with you. And also share with you, don't leave this world without Jesus. Jesus Christ is the only way to heaven. This world is so temporary and painful. And it's short. We work on our retirement, our 401k, our future investments, when we should be working on our salvation, our eternal destination. Don't get caught up in the world. Material things, it's nice to have, things are have. God will provide for you, but none of it you can take with you. Nothing in life is for certain except one thing, and that's going to be death. And where are you going when you leave this earth? Where are you leading your children? If you ain't praying for your children, then who is? All right, guys. Have a blessed day.